Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the theme on the MP3 downloader YouTube player application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device.
Best no Wi-Fi games for long car ride.
This is an ad, and click to the X button. You go to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings icon. Here you can find the themes section and click to the choose your theme button. And here you can select dark diamond, white star, your photo, or mountain sunrise, and just select one and click that and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.